I don't really know if this is gonna be a different video or what is happening, but we're going to ride some trails in an abandoned house. So let's go. Yeah, they're not down here. Uh-oh. It's Fred! It's Fred! He's cutting grass. It's Fred's wife. Oh, good golly. Hello. Oh yeah, that's why I'm not going through it right now. I'm kind of just following them. They know what they're doing. Kind of, sort of. Oh, I was talking about this one. Then we should have just rode the other one. Oh, he just... They both didn't put down their kickstands. What's even down this way? Oh, people come down here. Yeah, this stuff ain't sketchy, dog. Not at all. There's a pond over there. Ooh, they said it's not good fishing stuff though. Oh, I could rip these trails, dog. Alright. I mean, I kind of got a clue now. Alright. That worked out. Now where the flipper we go. Oh, flip, I just stalled. It goes that way. No problemo. Alright. Alright, now we're getting into territory. I don't know if it's... But none of this is our land. Oh flip, we're going back down. Yo, that's actually pretty sick. Getting a little... Oh no. Barbed wire. Gotta watch that junk. Where the flip do you go from here?
You wanna kick that fence down?
Huh?
You wanna kick that fence down?
I don't know. Oh. What's he doing? Is there somebody up here? Oh. We could go up. Old farm truck in the pasture. Title of the video right there. Thummy. I almost just ate it. If you guys enjoy them, we'll come back out here and do it again. But yeah. See you, boys. Peace.